and welcome to Excel English Academy. And today we will read Mastery on Voice. We have already read chapter 1, chapter 2 and today we will read chapter number 3. We have read what is voice, what is kinds of voice and some rules for changing AV into PV. It means active voice into passive voice. And today we will use how to change active voice, sentence of active voice of simple present tense into passive voice. Okay, let us start. Before that, one request to all of you, please see the rules of changing AV into PV and or remember some important verbs and its forms V1, V2, V3 so that it will be easy for you to change AV into PV. Okay, let us start. See, first I read a book. Here I is subject, read is verb and a book is object. We will change object into subject and subject into object. A book. Although the given sentence is in simple present tense, that's why we will use a book is a single. That's why we will use is. A book is read by. We will change I into nominative case into objective case, and I become or I change into me. A book is read by me. Okay. Similarly, we play cricket. We play cricket. Here we is subject, play is verb and cricket is object. Cricket is a single game, that's why we will use is. Cricket is. Play by. Be changed into us. I have already taught you in previous class. It means chapter or Mastery on Voice, chapter number 2. Be changed into us. Okay. And now third one. He reads a book. He reads a book. Now here he is subject, reads is verb, B5 and a book is object. Again, a book is a single thing. A book is A book is reads change into read. Read by he change into him. A book is read by him. Now for he read books. He read books. Sorry. Wait. You eat a mango. You eat a mango. You is subject, eat is given, and a mango is object. A mango is eaten by you change into you. Okay. Now these four sentences are in affirmative sentence, and now we will see how we can change interrogative or negative sentence into passive voice of present. Simple present is that is present indefinite tense. We read a book. Second, we do not read a book. Third, do we read a book? Fourth one, do we not read a book? Do we not read a book? Fifth one, why do we read a book? And the last one, that is the sixth structure. Why do we not read a book? Okay. Now see the is passive form. We will decide this is the subject, this is the verb, and this is the object, and it will be same for every subject, every sentence. See, a book is read by us. And second, a book is not read by us. Okay. And now third one, do we read a book? First of all, we change we read a book into affirmative. Remove to and think we read a book. How we can change? A book is read by us. If it is in interrogative, we will use is in the first to make it interrogative. अगर मान लीजिए कि ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस है, तो हमको इसको पहले देखेंगे कि वी रीड अ बुक, एफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस हो जाएगा जैसा फर्स्ट है, और इसमें हम लोग देखेंगे ए बुक इज रीड बाय अस। अब इसी इज को हम पहले कर देंगे इज अ बुक is a book read by us. See, next one. Similar things will happen with the fourth sentence. Is a book not read by us. Okay. And fifth one, we have to write WH words here. Y and Y. And now see, forget this. Remember this. Do we read a book? Do we read a book? Is a book read by us? Similarly, why is a book read by us? Similarly, why is a book not read by us? These are the structures and way how to change. See, अगर यहाँ पे इंट्रोगेटिव है तो हमको इसको पहले एफर्मेटिव समझेंगे. वी रीड अ बुक, ए बुक इज रीड बाय अस. जो इज आ रहा है उसको पहले कर लेंगे. इज ए बुक रीड बाय अस, इंट्रोगेटिव हो जाएगा. फिर निगेटिव है तो सेम टू सेम नोट लगा देंगे. फिर WH जब कभी भी आएगा तो हम कोशिश करेंगे पहले WH वर्ड्स को पहले रख देंगे और जैसा इंट्रोगेटिव का चेंज किया वैसा चेंज करेंगे. See another example. How do you know her? How do you know her? How we can change? First of all, write the WH words. How? Similarly. Okay, now the word, the function of this has been done. Now you know her. You know her. Think this is affirmative sentence. She is known by you. या she is known to you. इस केस में हम लोग देखेंगे she is known to you. तो she is, तो is को पहले लेंगे. How is she known by you? हम लोग ऐसे चेंज कर लेंगे. फिर उसके बाद देखेंगे सेकेंड, why do you not teach him? Teach him. इसका हम लोग देखेंगे. Y को सेम टू सेम लिख देंगे. WH words. Do you not teach him? Remove to. You teach him. You teach him. पहले चेंज करके देख लेंगे. देख लीजिए कैसे बनाना है. You teach him. तो यहाँ पर ये सब्जेक्ट, ये वर्ब और ये ऑब्जेक्ट. तो हम लोग ही का लिख देंगे. He is taught by you. He is taught by you. और इसी का इंट्रोगेटिव करेंगे. Is he taught by you? इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव करेंगे तो is he not taught by you. तो अब देखिए यहाँ पर why is he not taught by you? WH वर्ड्स लिख देंगे, ये इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस हो जाएगा। इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस का इंट्रोगेटिव पार्ट्स भूल जाएंगे, इसका अफर्मेटिव का चेंज करेंगे, इंट्रोगेटिव को पहले ले आएंगे और हम लोग बना लेंगे। एक और आपको जो बताते हैं, does not respect, one does not respect a dishonest man. See, here one, it means subject is unknown and it is not clear. One does not, एक आदमी या कोई भी आदमी, कोई भी बेईमान आदमी को रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता। तो हम लोग देखेंगे वन हो गया सब्जेक्ट, डज नॉट रिस्पेक्ट वर्ब और ए डिसऑनेस्ट मैन ऑब्जेक्ट। तो हम लोग इसका जब चेंज करेंगे, ए डिसऑनेस्ट मैन इज नॉट respected. Second one, police catch the thieves. पुलिस कैच द थीव्स। तो यहाँ पर पुलिस को चोरों को पकड़ने का काम एक ही आदमी का होता है, वो होता है पुलिस का। ये अंडरस्टूड है, कॉमन है, नोन है, इसलिए हम लोग इसको रिमूव कर देंगे, सीधा लिख देंगे थीव्स। क्योंकि यहाँ पर थीव्स प्लुरल है, थीव्स आर कॉट, थीव्स आर कॉट बाय पुलिस लिखेंगे तो गलत नहीं होगा, लेकिन हम लोग लिखते नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज नॉट ए स्टैंडर्ड क्वालिटी। ओके माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ इट इज टाइम फॉर जीके क्वेश्चन। से first governor of Bihar. Write the name of first governor of Bihar. Finance Minister of India. Okay, with this we will meet again tomorrow. Till then, I request to all of you, please stay at home, take care, and don't forget to study voice. It is very, very important. And please put your comment in the comment box. I am waiting for you. Thank you. Have a nice day.